Red, you ready? Blue, you ready? Here we go. Autonomous 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see what we can do. 35, 30, 23 with a goal and a base. Is it released? Oh, so they got the other. So red does get the autonomous. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. So red has one in place. Oh, 35-23 knocks off one of their cones into the 20. That might be a hindrance a little later. In the meantime, here comes 1429B with a mobile goal. Red has 2 scored, and they have one up on top too. 65 seconds left to go in this match. 1429B is trying to put one of the blue ones in for 10 points. Their partner 1718E. Now they get it in. 1718E trying to get it into that 20-point goal. They need that for that equalize that bonus point with 40 seconds left to go. Does not look like they're able to do it now. Counting down into the 30-second warning. Red has 3 goals in the 10-point with one up on top. 20 seconds left to go. $14 seconds to go. Coming down to the last 5 seconds, red has the lead. 2, 1. Looks like red took that first match. Very close score, like I thought. Red has taken a 1-0 lead with a 44-30 lead score on that first one. Number 2 taking down number 7.